Hey y'all, welcome back. So I'm gonna be doing my curly hair routine. You're gonna need some cream, beeswax, a comb, and a twisty, a hair tie. Basically, I'm starting off with sectioning on dirty hair, detangling it. Gonna be adding the cream, the beeswax, and going to be twisting it in a 2-strand twist. The reason why I'm using a cream and a beeswax is basically when you're twisting it, it helps keep it to make it stay, and also it helps smooth down the hair so your hair is not so frizzy. Because if you're natural and you don't really smooth down your hair, even though you like big hair, it still wouldn't look right. So you still have to add some type of moisture, some type of cream or oil onto your hair. So when it dries overnight, it kind of just takes that twist and that Bantu knot that I'm going to do and basically smooth it out, smooth it down. You know? So basically what I'm doing here is I am just creating a Bantu knot, and I'm going to be doing that all over my head. Okay, so here I am. Basically, I have 2 more twists to do. I did the rest of my head off camera, obviously. And I am just going to finish off these 2 sections, twist, and basically go ahead and do those in Bantu knots as well. Okay, so now I am finished and I am going to bed. And here I am basically just taking down the Bantu knots and untwisting them, getting ready to fluff them out. Basically, after you take down the twist, you're just going to separate each twist into as many sections as possible. So meaning just splitting up the twist, basically breaking up the curl, but not like making it frizzy, just breaking it up enough so that it can actually be bigger, poof up a little bit, and make it bigger. After you're finished fluffing it up and making it bigger, you're just going to take some edge control, style your hair how you like, and you should be good to go. So here is the finished look, guys. I'm just fluffing out my curls a little bit more, making it look nice and natural. And there you have it, my curly hair routine.